Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change the camera view in GTA San Andreas. Alright, let's begin. First, open the game and make sure it is updated to the latest version. To change the camera view, you will need to adjust a setting. Tap on the map icon at the top left corner. Go to Options and change the steering type to Digital. This step is necessary as some camera controls work differently depending on the steering mode. Once you have made the change, exit the menu and enter any vehicle. While inside the car, you can switch to a third-person view by pinching out on the screen with 2 fingers. This will zoom the camera out, giving you a wider perspective of your surroundings. If you want to return to the first-person view, simply zoom in by pinching your fingers together on the screen. This will bring the camera closer, allowing you to see from the driver's perspective. So that's basically how you can change the camera view in GTA San Andreas. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.